I'm at Ideal Home Improvement today with all of these fancy cars and everything. But I'm working on this old box van. I'll take you over. So this box van has got a bad case of cancer underneath, like everything in New England. So I've got this new bumper setup going on it. I'm about to go ahead and cut off 1.5 inches off the ends of all those cross members down both sides. And put these two tubes there in their place to take up the gap. And I got this side all unbolted as well, and the screws removed, because I'm going to do the same thing under here. Is cut that 1.5 inch channel that's all rusted out of there and put the tube up in place and be able to bolt through this aluminum and get the structure back in it. But yeah, that's the deal. We'll pop those 1.5 by 3s in there. This channel's to finish up the bumper. They had a 13-foot drop, so I just bought the whole thing. Oh, and on the secondary thing, these sawhorses I made, it's one of my designs, they stack together because they're tapered in just a way so that an 11R clamp fits on the end here. And I have 4 of them that all match in height, and they are the same height as my table right here. This is my TIG table. It's like a gurney for welding, where I can sit at it with a stool from both sides and kick the foot pedal underneath. And I also have a bar under there that I can use to lift things and carry them. I hook the come along or ratchet under that bar, sling it over that one, and I can do center picks right off this and move stuff. Works well. It's also adjustable too. I can set this at any height. That's 1.25 inch tube in here, inside 1.5 inch. And that's the old Hobart that's treated me well for 35 years. Along with my Hypertherm made in New Hampshire. Anyways, got to get back at it. Just wanted to show you the truck rebuild project. Finish up on this 88mm turbo LS.